hear what me put hear my voice. Me put it at the talk. Me put hear me. Just get sense.
Nonsense, my to die your teeth. Where de la million. My me photo il a vrai.
Now just yesterday here now school come with my 5 day off for come up.
Tell you this is store your head.
You tell me say you get plan. You not tell me say you get plan now.
What's happening?
No miss, I miss.
Come on, sis.
No, you don't get it. You don't get it. You don't get it. You don't get it. Now, what? But this shit cut.
What did you do for there? I said to do for there. I've been a day for the walk.
You want to start your own go? You don't leave me for your show. What's it?
Tell you this is store your head.
Hey, what's it concern you? I mean, forget your head fast. I mean, because the leg will break you. I mean, want to start part 2. See your head. See your head, they like all this trailer where they carry fuel. Nonsense. My do that your teeth. Where they like aluminium. My foot really like rain. Nonsense. My woman.
Hey. I'm not for this girl wahala. Thank God say Joshua. My come city next week. God thank you. I'm not for this girl witchcraft. No meet I want this village do this witchcraft. Thank God I'll go city. I go leave and make she stay this village. You go hot for this village. Go die for this village. All the name of witchcraft. In the perform of witchcraft. Thank God do. I will get that.
I don't tire. So waiting person the work since morning. She said 314. Now that prophetic when I short pass. I'm blessing now I want go now I want go so. See 314 now. Do not be now just yesterday here now school one woman 5 day your 4 come out for him money. Your 4 come out. Like prophetic way me want take on. This life I can't kill myself. I can't kill myself.
Since when you start this prophetic scene, I don't just understand. The money when I tell start time, I never see anything at all. I don't understand. What you tell me they saw?
No, but not be the way you reason now they be, not be the way. The thing no easy at all.
Oh yeah, tell me the way I tell this now.
See you the thing as you all start and so everywhere go dey boom. No say client don't they come like that. And number 2, where is me person they talk? It still matter now. They draw attention.
You don't get anything to talk since now you not tell me. So you want like I waste my money I tell you do that thing? I get plan C's, different plan. I go make it make money, you know what make I tell you.
Beggy, you tell me say you get plan. You not tell me say you get plan now.
Why you not tell me say you not get plan since? But like this now make I just tell you the plan. Now don't you they do say so. Like this. If the person come, you face to fall. Do not say you deceive you like if the, not let the person come, they suspect you say you don't know. You first think, so you think what you will do first. After you don't do like that, you come and say, be I say. If the person body dry small, you start say dry, no get money. Then I say, this I can see suffering. No. Or you know if you speak the English, you can say, I see suffering. You like yes, you see suffering. You don't hear me so? You see suffering. Okay, like this now. It's not the same thing. Make it tell you more about that suffering. I see they knock you this way, they tell you I still they suffer before they peak. Like for example, that you say, Papa died 40 years, Mama died 40 years, senior brother died 40 years, senior sister died 40 years. The next thing you go tell and say, I see the death coming to you. What I say? Like this now, you need to break that curse. You hear me so?
Yes. I understand you. They pick sense for this your word, but let's say this your plan they give so you go work well. You go work.
If you like do I also don't know. You need to break the curse. You can't do like like all those Selena, you understand? Like all those Selena, you gotta do like that. Because say like this now. Depending on how the person drive the show. If you charge that kind of money, charge them big, small, like as the best grade day. You know what I'm saying? Bring some money come. As you bring them come, we go lay water. We go destroy your plant. We go scatter that course. Then, the person go get money. As the person go break that come. Normally now, the person go ask go pray now. God go answer. No be you go answer and get. No, you don't need to do your own work. If you like, you let everybody hear my voice. Let me put the talk. Make people hear me. Just get sense. See they go ask go fast. Keep the fast. Keep the prayer. God go answer them on you. You wanna just to tell them. God go answer them. But like this now, if you like. Just say you not hear me this time. You know what, Isha? I will join you. You say I go to demonstrate. I'll carry busy for head. Actually, jump. Me go to demonstrate now. You demonstrate now like this. You know what now? You go see me action. Where that money no go come out. You not tell me say you don't know. Make I teach you. Not they fuck up again though. I need money.
You don't really what you talk not too plenty. I wish one person one copy for inside.
Don't worry. Just forget about that one. But one thing I know.